Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another plan with me. I guess the one good thing about using this old Hobonichi with like all the wrong dates is that if I miss a week, I'm still covering it up anyway, so no one has to know. I don't know what happened last week. We came back from the wedding and I came down with a little cold, and I swear I man cold so hard. As soon as my throat starts like slightly hurting, I'm done. There's nothing else I can do. I just need to lay in bed until it's over. So I did very little work, and thankfully Jake feels fine and he was able to pick up all the work that I didn't do. And yeah, but this week I feel better even though I sound a little stuffy, and I am back to planning. I feel like it's so much easier to put these date covers on if I flip it upside down. I just don't think I can see very well. I think my vision is just really bad because I can't see very well, like from that far away. And I am trying to use different materials, different media in my planners. So I kind of want to try watercolors in my Hobonichi, but I'm afraid that it's going to bleed completely through and crinkle the papers. Oh my God, the indecision right here. I'm like, do I write on the marker or do I wait till it dries? I decided to wait till it dried. This is going to be all of my work stuff, but since I know more or less what I have to do each day for work, I'm just going to go ahead and write that down first. And yep, there I go. It doesn't take too long to dry. My work days this week are going to be pretty much the same. Tomorrow, Monday, or well, I guess today, Monday, I have to announce the new subscription, which I'm super excited for and super nervous because I hate change. I am really bad at accepting change, and so it makes me nervous. But I'm also really excited because it's something that's been super requested. So our new subscription will be stickers only, washi tape only, and then a combo of stickers and washi tape, and I hope everyone loves it. And then I want to have a little, like a checklist here of when I post on TikTok, when I post an Instagram reel, because I'm trying to be a little more consistent with that this year. Especially on TikTok, I feel like it's just so great for businesses, and I haven't taken any advantage of it. So I'm trying to post a little more. Definitely posting more of my journaling on there and my reading stuff. And did I even talk about this kit that I'm using? This was our new Luna LoveBean kit that just released in the shop last week. I believe we still have washi available, and that's why I picked this one out, because I wanted to be able to give you guys an option of something that we still have in the shop. We don't always sell out of washi tape. I feel like this fall and Halloween was a little wild, but usually things stay there for a couple weeks at least. And oh my God, I am so darn excited for my Lush delivery today. I have been saying for the past like 5 months that I need to go to the mall and pick some up, and I never make it down there, even though it's just like 20 minutes away. I think it's just, I don't know what happened. Ever since all the lockdown, I kind of just got used to being in my house. And if I don't have to go and be in like a big place where other than Disney, Disney doesn't count. But if I have to go be surrounded by people and shopping, and it's just not my thing anymore. I just want to stay home. I just want to buy everything online. So I finally just placed an order online and I'm getting it today. It was really quick shipping, I think less than a week. So I'm super excited for that. And then on Thursday, we have a whiskey tasting dinner, and super excited for that because it's a restaurant I've been wanting to go to. And then Jake gets the whiskey tasting, which that's something right up his alley. And then Friday, what's on Friday? I don't even know what I wrote down there. Oh my gosh, I need to start working on my newest washi order because I don't want to say I'm running out. I have enough until like March, April, but I do need to get my Easter order in and hopefully have it ship on time. And yeah, I am coming down to the end, just putting a little bit of work things on the weekend because unless we go somewhere, I usually never have a day off. I always like to just try to do a little something for work, get myself ahead, and definitely have some family time in there as well. And that is pretty much what my week looks like so far. So I'll fill it out throughout the week, hopefully get rid of this empty space. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me.